A shocking call, a fiery speech, and rising war drums in the Middle East. Welcome to Times XP. It's me, Dhriti Yatri, and a senior American politician has made a statement that is kind of sending shockwaves across global diplomacy. A statement that is bold, explosive, and deeply controversial, and it is aimed directly at Iran's highest leadership. Let's talk about the speech that set off the global alarms here. Standing in Tel Aviv, US Senator Lindsey Graham, he delivered one of his strongest messages yet against Iran's ruling system. His words were not cautious, they were not diplomatic, they were aggressive, direct, chilling. He claimed Iran's leadership is now at its weakest point in decades. But wait, why does he believe that Iran is weakening? Well, Graham pointed to the event following the October 7th attacks in Israel, which kind of triggered massive regional tensions and military retaliation by Israel. According to him, these developments exposed vulnerabilities inside Iran and increased pressure on its ruling establishment. He also highlighted growing public protest inside Iran, suggesting internal unrest is shaking the government's control. And yes, then comes the most controversial part of his message. Graham openly argued that this particular moment should be used to push for regime change in Iran. And then came the statement that stunned the global observers. He strongly suggested eliminating Iran's supreme leader, Ali Khamenei, claiming it could end decades of confrontation. Now, such remarks are extremely rare, right? They are extremely sensitive in international politics because targeting a country's top leadership crosses dangerous diplomatic red line. So, here is Trump's strategy that enters the discussion. Graham also praised US President Donald Trump, saying that his approach towards Iran mixes military pressure with negotiation tactic. He suggested that this combination, force plus diplomacy, could reshape the power balance in the region. Well, his remarks hinted that Washington may continue exploring hardline strategies if tensions escalate further. Well, there's a symbolic message that caught the global attention here. During the speech, Graham wrote a hat with a striking slogan, "Make Iran Great Again." That's right, the phrase mirrored Trump's famous political branding, but with a new geopolitical twist here. Graham said that the message was meant to show support for Iranian citizens, not the ruling establishment. But here, critics say that such symbolism could inflame already fragile regional tensions. Then enters the UAE factor, another strategic layer here. Graham also pushed for stronger defense cooperation with the United Arab Emirates. He described the UAE as a crucial partner for maintaining security in the Gulf. Well, military analysts say that closer ties could mean stronger joint defense system, intelligence sharing, and regional military coordination. Let's conclude this now. Why this speech matters the most? Because words from a senior American leader often signals possible future policy directions, right? And right now, the Middle East is already sitting on the power keg. Israel is engaged in ongoing security operations. Iran remains deeply involved in regional conflicts through allied group, and the US forces are increasing their military footprints across the region.